Hey, welcome back, everybody, to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. Jen's actually doing some behind the scenes stuff, so she won't be on this video, but I'm going to go ahead and run this tonight. So, a while back, they were talking about the GPT store. So, they finally opened it up, and this is a plethora of bots. You've probably seen a couple of our videos that we talked about. Jen made a bot, a pitch perfect bot. She also did a bot of her own to ask questions and answers. So this is what these are. They're GPTs is what they're calling them. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of jump into this really quick to show you guys kind of what it's about. So here you've got, these are the top picks. Obviously you see the one for the Super Bowl, which is coming up now this weekend. And then you've got the ones that are trending. Now, if you click see more, you open them up and it's going to go through more. Okay. I'm going to pull up a quick little article so you guys can see this. So this is introducing the ChatGPT store, right? So this is what it would look like on your phone. This is what it would look like on the computer. So basically, this is the new features that it's going to be that's going to be doing, which we're going to be jumping into. It's going to do new feature GPTs every week. Okay, so personalized trails, tutoring, Canva, books, and then include your GPT in the store as well. So you could build the GPT, you could save it into the store so everybody can use it, right? Builders can earn based on GPT usage as well. So it looks like they're going to start paying people, which is pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and jump right in there really quick. And these are the what they're talking about is the GPTs. You click here. This is for Dolly. It's just going to jump down to the different sections. So we're going to stay in the top picks. I'm going to go mess around with the Super Bowl one and check it out. So the big game party planner guide to the Super Bowl. It says TS and TK bowl party planning, games, decor, and shopping links. So what snacks should I get? Suggest some unique Super Bowl party themes, where to find Super Bowl everything, and generate squares. If you haven't noticed, you guys can actually. Let me switch out of GPT-4 really quick. Let me pause this 1 second because I gotta log in. Give me 1 second. All right, everybody. Sorry about that, and we're back. I went ahead and took care of that really quick. So, as I was saying, you can click on the big game, which I already did. These are the GPTs. So when I clicked on here, and I went ahead and did a square, right? Creating a Super Bowl square grid. It's a way to do some exciting things within while you guys are watching the game and having fun while building grids. So draw a 10 by 10 grid. It kind of explains how to actually do this. Assign the teams. You can sell the squares, how to win. So example grid, stuff like that. So it's actually pretty cool. So let's go back to new chat within the game party, the game planner. So let's go to. I want to let's see what kind of food and snacks should I serve during the game. So it kind of tells you what kind of food and snacks. A mix of classic games for the day. Uh, Here's some buffalo wings, obviously nachos, pizza bites, and then if you guys want to go healthy alternative for the healthy people, veggie platter from fruit skewers, and then a unique twist. So a pulled pork slider. So it kind of goes through. I'm gonna pause this real quick, so you guys don't until it does the full run through. So I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So here's a unique twist as it was going through some bacon wraps, some dessert if you guys want to do desserts, and then obviously beer selections and then non-alcoholic. So um, here it says down here. So you use serving dishes and platters in the colors of whoever's playing. So this football or this year it's the 49ers and Kansas City Chiefs to enhance the experience, right? So they went ahead and put some more links for like an Amazon link, a Walmart link, and the NFL store. So it says enjoy your Super Bowl party and may the best snacks win. So that's pretty cool, actually, right? So if we go back to see if we can go back to the actual GPT store. go back in here, what's called GPTs. You can kind of see where you can go draw to style or draw into style. So let's check out what this is. I transform drawings into artistic styles and describe them. Let's see what this does. Let's see what it says. It's probably going to ask me to put my... I'm going to do surprise me. It's going to select it from my list. Once you've uploaded your drawing. So you would have to upload your drawing, which you would do, upload it in here, and then it would generate a random 3D picture, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to the store. I'm just going through here to show you guys really quick. You have a murder mystery, image generator. Okay. This here will do images. So this is an image generation. GPT specialized in generating and refining images with a mix of professional and friendly tone image generator. So design a logo for a new tech startup, illustrate a corporate, or create a portrait of a fictional character, generate an image of a futuristic city. So here it's going to do, please create a logo for this year's, let's see if this year's pool party in Las Vegas. Okay, so it's going to do a vibrant logo for this year. So here it goes. So visual elements, it's telling you what it's going to do. It's kind of running through all the logos, everything, what it would look like. So now it's going to, I'll start generating the logo. So basically it's going to, it tells you here what it's developing, right? So the visual elements, the design will feature iconic Las Vegas elements such as palm trees, sun, pool, waves, but we don't have waves, but it's okay. And the famous Las Vegas landmark or symbol like a poker chip. So let's see what it does. This will be kind of fun. Oh, that's pretty dope, man. So it says Lega. I don't know why it says Lega. Lego Pool Party 2024. I mean, this is pretty cool though, right? It says Las Vegas in there. It says here's a logo for this year's pool party with vibrant colors. Blend the iconic Las Vegas elements with the refreshing theme of a pool party. If there's anything you'd like to adjust to better, just feel free to let me know. Boom. Pretty cool, right? So this thing's endless, guys. I mean, this is endless. Here's a logo creator to do a logo for your company. Here's Canva. It's a program. So cartoon yourself. You probably have to throw a random picture in here. Please go ahead and upload your photo to transform into a picture style. So I'm going to push pause really quick and upload a picture, see what it does. All right, so I went ahead and uploaded a picture that I had on my desktop. So I want to go ahead and cartoon that bad boy. So let's see what it does. So it's generating. While it generates, here it comes. Look at that, guys. It's pretty cool. It's the back of his head. It says, yep, Campeones. Check that out. It's pretty cool, right? I don't know if Messi's got a bunch of tats on his neck like that, but it's okay. He's got tats on his arms, but still, pretty dope, huh? How fun is that, guys? So kind of you can cartoon yourself. But so these are kind of cool things you could do with this new store. These are all free, guys. Let me turn your imagination into imagery. So, I mean, it's just, there's so many apps on this thing you guys can mess with. Data, here's a data analysis. Let's go down. Let's go to education, right? Because we all like education. So math solver. So this thing is your advanced math solver and AI tutor, step-by-step answers to help you. Okay, so calculate the area of a circle within the radius, solve the equation. I mean, okay, sure, go for it. What's the calculate the area of a circle with a radius of 3? So it's giving you the answer step-by-step on how to do it, guys. So again, like I keep saying, while this thing runs through, don't be afraid of AI. Don't be afraid to test the waters with ChatGPT. With this new store, this is game changing. This just came out, so you could physically make a bot and post it in there for people to use. Okay. Are they paying out? I don't know yet. That's something that I'll have to look into. But again, you guys, that's why we created Coffee Sometimes Tea, to teach you guys how AI works, how the ChatGPT is just evolving and helping so many people. Down below, you're going to see a link for our community. It's called School. It's where we teach you about AI, ChatGPT, and everything involved around that, with business and personal as well. Things like that. It's going to be amazing. Can't wait for you guys to join. So click on that link below. Join our community. It's free. And then all our teachings free. Everything that we do in there, we're going to show you how to build a bot. We're going to show you how to use Gamma.ai, which is, it's kind of like a slideshow for presentations, which is driven by ChatGPT as well. You guys will just, you'll be floored. So I want to thank you again for tuning in tonight to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen, and we'll chat soon. So click on that link, smash that like button. Talk to you guys later.